Before you pack your bags, here are 10 useful things to know that will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Number 1. Vietnam runs on cash. At street markets, small shops, and local food stalls, cards are rarely accepted. ATMs are easy to find in the cities but less common in smaller towns, so always carry enough cash for daily expenses. It will save time and make payments easier. Number 2. Confidence gets you across the street. Traffic in Vietnam is busy and keeps moving continuously. Cars and scooters are always on the move, and clear gaps are hard to find. The best way to cross is to walk slowly and steadily without sudden movements. Drivers will adjust and move around you. Eye contact helps. Stay calm and avoid running or stopping suddenly. Confidence is key. Number 3. Bargaining is part of the culture. At local markets and with street vendors, bargaining is a normal part of the culture. Prices are usually flexible, so start by offering around half the asking price and work toward a fair middle ground. Always stay polite and friendly. Smiling helps a lot and makes the process more enjoyable. Number 4. Getting a SIM card saves you hassle. Staying connected is important, and the easiest way is to get a local SIM card soon after arriving. Airport counters are quick and convenient, but prices are often higher than in the city. If you want to save money, buy your SIM from a local shop instead. It's affordable and gives access to maps, translations, and apps like Grab, which is Vietnam's version of Uber. Number 5. Sleeper buses are an experience. Sleeper buses are a popular way to travel long distances between cities. Distances between cities can be very long, making sleeper buses a convenient overnight option. They're budget-friendly, but comfort can be limited, especially for tall travelers. The seats are more like reclining beds, and the ride can be bumpy. Bringing a neck pillow and some snacks can make the trip more comfortable. Number 6. Coffee culture is serious. Vietnam is famous for its unique coffee-making methods, often using traditional metal coffee filters called phin. A must-try specialty is egg coffee, which combines strong coffee with a creamy, dessert-like egg foam. Sipping these unique brews is an essential part of the local coffee culture. Number 7. Street food beats fancy restaurants. Some of the best food in Vietnam comes from small street stalls and food vendors. Dishes like pho, banh mi, and bun cha are fresh, flavorful, and inexpensive. Don't be afraid to sit on small plastic stools and eat like the locals. Street food is generally safe, especially at busy stalls where food is cooked fresh. Just check for cleanliness and stick to bottled water or drinks without ice, as ice is sometimes made from tap water that may upset your stomach. Number 8. Respect local customs. Vietnamese culture values respect and modesty. When visiting temples, cover your shoulders and knees, and always remove shoes before entering homes or certain places. Simple gestures like these show cultural awareness and are always appreciated by locals. Number 9. Weather changes by region. The climate in Vietnam varies widely from north to south. Hanoi and the northern regions can be cool or even chilly from November to March. The central coast, Hue, Da Nang, Hoi An, has a tropical climate with a rainy season from September to December, which can bring typhoons. The south, including Ho Chi Minh City and the Mekong Delta, is hot and humid year-round, with a dry season from December to April and a rainy season from May to November. To stay comfortable, check the forecast for each destination and pack versatile layers, a raincoat, and quick-dry clothing. If you're planning outdoor adventures like trekking in Sapa or exploring Halong Bay, the time of year can greatly affect the experience. Number 10. Watch for scams. Scams can happen, especially in tourist areas. But being alert is enough to avoid them. Be careful with taxi drivers who don't use meters and inflated prices at markets. Use apps like Grab for rides and confirm prices before making a purchase. Staying aware keeps your trip stress-free. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you enjoy Vietnam with fewer surprises and more confidence. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides and tips.